All right, for this project, we're going to be making a ceramic pinch pot whistle. You're going to start out by making a bubble out of clay, a pinch pot bubble. You're going to attach a mouthpiece onto it and figure out how to punch a hole through here and make it so that it whistles. You can add some different holes here, so you can make some different musical notes. Then you're going to decorate it to look like some kind of an animal, and it actually should play. So the first step in this is that you're going to get a ball of clay and make a pinch pot out of it. Hopefully you were in this class last year and you learned how to make a pinch pot, but I'm just sticking my thumbs in, rotating it, and keeping even thickness while I'm pinching and rotating. All right, as I'm doing this, you'll notice I'm kind of closing in the hole that I'm making. I want this hole to then close up, because eventually I'm just making a bubble out of this. So I'm pulling all this in while I'm rotating and pinching. Keep making the hole smaller. Might have to fold it over. You're probably going to have to go through and smooth out some cracks that pop up. But eventually this thing's going to close up, and I'm just going to smooth it out, close it completely, and from there smooth everything out. Get rid of all the cracks, get rid of all the creases. Next step is to take this round bubble and flatten it out a little bit. All right, so I've got a flat bottom on it. Flatten it. Take a piece of clay. This is going to be the mouthpiece, and I just need to make like a tube out of it. All right, so roll kind of a coil here. Doesn't need to be very big. And this is going to attach right here. All right. I got my pieces. I'm going to score and slip to make sure that these don't come apart. Add a little bit of slip, wet clay to it. Attach. Smooth all of this down to make sure that it's completely attached. And in the next video, I'm going to go through the steps on how to make this actually whistle. All right, so that's all for this video. I'll fix this up a little bit, come back in the next video, and we'll go through how to add the whistle part to this.